Today I'm going to put this coolant pump cover. Coolant leakage is because of the bolt that inside, and the bolt is not good, which is wear over time. That's why the most common cause is coolant leakage here. The bolt need to be replaced everything. I just got the new bolt from a local second-hand shop, but it is quite good and very new. Two types of are super sealant cover, which is gray is commonly used and recommend to use for this Dacati monster, and it is not to be recommend to you choose this. First thing, I have to clean everything to make sure there is no more dust left on this iron fan. Yeah, look like a makeup brush, but it's very useful cleaning this. Little bit difficult to make it. Before I glue this one, I have to make sure everything perfect to fit in. Okay, it's right now to put sealant on this coolant pumps cover. Okay, I'm cutting this hole, and yeah, has to be try this more. It looks like a cake cream putting this around. Okay, and a little bit messy in this. Okay. As I marked it, this two have washer too. Okay, this time has to be careful with this wrench too, which is recommend to use 10 Newton meter, so I have set to 10 Newton meter. And it is very important to not broken again this bolt. This is 1 by 4 inch hex 5 milli. Okay, finish this one. Have to leave 1 day, maybe 2 days to dry the sealant. Here this is 10 Newton meter. Okay, everything checking. It's good. Okay, finished. Finally, I have to put thing for the spark plugs right there and on the floor. For this spark plug, I use silicone paste to make sure the rubber part is covered with this silicone paste. And this is NGK, mostly used for Ducati Monster. So let's start.